Hey everyone! Welcome back to Akangsharing channel, where we give you the best tips, tricks, and tutorials for all your tech gadgets. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. In this video, we will restore the Google TV launcher from the third-party ProjectTV launcher to the default Google TV launcher. So, let's get started. Go to ProjectTV settings, then select Android settings. In the Android settings menu, select the Apps menu. In the Apps menu, you can find recent apps that are often used, such as ProjectTV Launcher. If there is no ProjectTV Launcher application in recent apps, you can select the See All Apps menu. In the All App menu, look for the ProjectTV Launcher application and select it. Look for the Clear Default menu and select it. On the ProjectTV Launcher Clear Default screen, select OK. Next, you can return to the dashboard to find out whether the ProjectTV Launcher can be replaced with the default Google TV Launcher by pressing the Home button on the TV remote. It turns out it still hasn't changed to the default Google TV Launcher. Next we will go to the ProjectTV Launcher menu to turn off one menu so that we can replace this launcher with the default Google TV Launcher. In the ProjectTV Launcher settings menu, you can select the General menu. Next, you uncheck the Override Current Launcher menu. Then select the Change Default Launcher menu to make sure the Google TV Launcher has been selected. Then you can go back to the ProjectTV Launcher dashboard and press the Home button to make sure you can return to the default Google TV Launcher. And that's it. Your default launcher is now set as the default home screen interface on your Google TV. Now you can enjoy a fully customized experience every time you turn on your TV. That's all for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Let me know in the comments below which launcher you're using or if you have any other questions.